be showing you this trading strategy in real time. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. Now, in order to perform this trading strategy, you will need a interval called the 5-minute ranking. Okay, so here on Moomoo, I don't know if they have it on other trading platforms, but I use Moomoo, ladies and gentlemen, and a great advantage tool that Moomoo has is the color flag. And if you're wondering what trading platform I am using, it is called Moomoo. If you do want to sign up for Moomoo, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone these perks you see here on the screen. All you have to do is make your initial deposit of only $100, but not only will you get a extra 3-day trades a week, but also these free stocks that Moomoo is currently offering can value up to $2,500 each. Also, you will have key data, tools, and resources at your disposal, such as the daily short sell analysis and the interpretations of indicators chart, which is a huge game changer for beginners and novice traders that do not understand how to read charts or indicators really well. So again, using my sign up link in the description below while signing up for Moomoo, you get a lot to gain and nothing to lose. Okay, I know a lot of other trading platforms don't have that, and being able to see the green and red flash really helps pinpoint the movement of the 5-minute ranking chart. So basically what we're looking for is the stocks that is moving the most within a 5-minute interval. With that being said, the reason why I like the 5M so much is because we're able to find these stocks breaking out before they become on that top gainer list, because we're able to again see how much the stock has moved within a 5-minute interval. So let me show you how this works in real time. The most important thing that you want to do, and that's the first step, and that's getting the 5M ranking from highest to lowest. Now with that being said, as you guys can see here, we want to get the stocks. We want to look at the stocks. I ain't gonna say get them. We want to look at the stocks that's moving the highest within the 5-minute ranking, which is currently IMRX, of course, and it is moving a lot. After picking up on that, what we want to make sure is that the bid is outpacing the ask, okay? After that checks out, ladies and gentlemen, what you want to hone in on is the market cap and the share float. If both of those are low, then this is a total day trade slash momentum trade. After looking into it, I will put a 10% price target on this thing. So we currently saw it at $2.95. So I will put a $3.15 price target on this and watch how it plays out. After doing that, though, you do want to have your Bollinger Band out as well. And the reason why the Bollinger Band really is so important after picking the stock, because it gives you more insight on whether you should raise the price target after hitting the first one. So let's see this take place. I wanted you guys to see it actually take place here in real time. If I have to, I'll speed this up. But after looking at the 1-minute chart, this checks out, okay? We didn't break through the lower Bollinger. We're not breaking through the lower Bollinger Band here on the 1. If we take a brief look and check out the 3, still in that upper canal region here on the 3, and that is what you want to see. You want to make sure that the candlesticks is on the upper canal region of the Bollinger rather than the low. If it's on the low, then, ladies and gentlemen, it's not ready to fly. But 3-5-15 is what you really want to hone in on after buying into it. Not the 1-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, 3, 5, and 15, okay? And all 3 of these check out. So our $3.15 price target still remains. And after approaching that price levels, then we can go from there, whether we're going to raise the price target a little bit higher or we're going to sell at that first price target. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We called the breakout before the freaking breakout. Now, approaching these levels, I will raise the price target from here to $3.28. Okay. So watch it happen, ladies and gentlemen. And we're solely, and if you want to know what we monitor after actually getting into the play, I will be dropping that video after this one. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you will be notified once that video comes out. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have hit that $3.28 level. From here, I will be selling 80% of that day trade position and leaving 20 more cents for a $3.50 price target. And I will put a stop loss on the remainder of that 20% right around $3.25. So with that being said, we have made money. And again, guys, if you do want to see the monitoring video, what we monitor to let us know to stay in the trade, again, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And not only that, yes, we have hit our $3.50 price target as well. So again, may the gains be with you. Want to know how to sign up for the Discord? Well, click the video on the left. And if you do want to subscribe to my main YouTube channel, click the channel link in the middle and check out my latest video on the right.